Python video. So in this video, we are gonna learn about the if function. So please take this video seriously. This is going to be one of the hardest videos yet. So basically, let's get this straight. You know how to now use print function. You know, lots of stuff now. So let's get into what do you call it? If function. So if functions are really easy. And when I mean easy, they are easy. Even if you're a beginner, even if you don't know what an if function is, after this video you will go up, you can show your parents, you can show anyone that, wow, look, I can do the if function. So let's so if functions are basically a functions. It's a statement. So an if statement is a made of if keywords followed by a condition, a colon. As in if a age is 20. So let's make this simple. Let's make a simple project. You know how to make a project? We have created, I think, more than 2 games yet. Age. So now we can write age equals 13. And once you're making like a game, this will come handy. If age is bigger than 20, and what oopsies. And I will make some mistakes in this video that I will fix, but you can work with that, right? So an if statement is a made up if keyword followed by a condition and a colon, as in if age is bigger than 20. The lines following the colon must be in a block, and this is a block. You see this little space? That's called a block. So if the answer in the question is yes or true, as we say in Python programming, will be run. Now let's explore how to write blocks in conditions. So we can come and change the name to age to 25, and then that's 20, or you're too old. So you're too old. And you're too old. Why are you here? So this is, if you're even 20, it's fine watching videos. So now in this part we are using one. Why aren't you knowing? See, now you see that error? So we can change, we can just change this to that. Aren't you knowing? So this block of code is made up by 3 print statements that run if the condition age is bigger than 20 and found to be true. Each line in the block has 4 spaces above. Let's take a look at the code again to see visible spaces. You can see these are spaces. These little spaces over here, those are called 4 blocks. So you can fit 4 letters in them. Like, let me just show. Yeah, we can write A. Maybe not like, but it's like 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? Spaces. and it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, that's called a white space. So and in Python, there's a simple array. So just putting 4 spaces. If you look at your keyboard, if you're using Mac and Windows, I don't know about Linux though, but if you're using Mac or Windows, and I'm using a Windows, if you see that tab button, if you press that tab, it automatically moves 4 spaces. And if you're gonna go back, press Shift and Tab. You see that? That's pretty cool. So now you know how to use an if statement. So in an if statement, there is a lot of stuff. Let me show you. Like, so here, let me just put a comment. So if the symbol is double equals, it's equal to. If it's a equal, it's a not equal to. And if I wrote equal wrong, please forgive me. I'm still a child. And then you know what these and these mean. They're greater and smaller. So I shouldn't be writing that. So, and then now these and equal, these just means that like it can be either bigger or equal to that number. Bigger or equal to. So now you know how to use an if function. We have written a very small program that will be able to identify if you're over 25 or under 25. If you're under 25, it won't write this. So now let's just say you want to write this to a 13-year-old comes and wants to play the game. You can just come here and press else. And okay, you're allowed. So now, since this is 13, it's going to print, okay, you're allowed. But if I change my name, if I change it to 23, as you can see, it'll say, why are you here? Why, you're too old. Why are you here? Why aren't you mowing the lawn? So that's basically it for this video. You have, in this video, a basic summary is where you have learned how you can use an if function, how you can compare an if function, how you can use an else function, and how you can use symbols and words. So thank you. Please subscribe. It will be amazing. Each week I will be posting a new video. So in the next video I will be going further into what if statement is, and maybe we'll get to make another game.